Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to complete our November 2022 paper 22. Sorry for the delay. Somebody wrote a comment on my previous video to please send the second one. So I'm second. I'm sending. Actually, I was busy out of city, out of country. Actually, I went abroad. Now, inshallah, I will continue with our videos, inshallah. Okay. Now, here is the paper. Okay, here is your paper. We have done question number 1, 2, 3. Let me show you. Okay, that was a paper. October, November 2022, paper 22, O levels. And we have done question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and today we have to do question number 4 and 5, finally. Inshallah will complete, and then we'll move to paper 12, inshallah. Okay, now in this question, we have to make certain ledger accounts. Okay. So, PG, a trader, sells electrical components. She has provided the following information for the year ended 31st July 2021. Sales general for the year ended 31st July 2022, $360,000. Sales return general for the year ended 31st July, 13,300. Trade receivable 1st August 2021, 28,500. Provision for doubtful debts 1st August 2021, 1,140. Okay. Now, this is a cash book extract of total for the year. Not a complete cash book is given, but only relevant figures are given. And it says, okay. Now, total we have collected $335,100 and $6,500 discount allowed. Cash sales 17,000, and we have a dishonored checks of 4,000. Okay. $900 of trade receivable were written off as irrecoverable debts on 31st July. There were no other irrecoverable debts during the year. The provision for doubtful debts is to be set at 4% of trade receivable on 31st July 2020. Okay. What they've asked for? Sales account. What we have to make first? The sales account. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. Here we are going to write 2022. Okay. July 31st. Okay. Now, total credit sales we have how much? 335,100 plus 6,500, total 341,600. Plus 4,000 dishonor checks. 345,000 600, 335,100 plus 6,500 plus 4,000, 345,600 total हमारे पास सेल आ 345,600 is our sale, but the sales journal says okay 360,000. Okay, so we'll write over here trade receivable 360,000. Okay, अच्छा ये हो गया. Then cash sales we have 17,000. Okay, and now we have to close this account 2022 July 31st. We'll transfer to income statement. We are closing this account. How much? 360,000 plus 17,000, total 377,000. 377,000. Okay. Now we have here totals 377,000. Okay. 377. Okay. No balance CD, no balance BD. Because revenue account is closed. We have to close revenue account every year into income statement. Okay. Now this is the end of sales account. Sales return account. What do we have to write in sales return account? Okay. (2022) July 31st. Okay. Now here we write trade receivables and sales return is going to be debited by 6,000. How much was sales return? 13,300. 13,300. Okay. Same date we are going to close July 31st, and this amount we are going to transfer to income statement. Income statement 13,300. Then that's all for sales return. Okay. No balance CD, no balance BD, because this is an expense account and we have to close it. Okay, trade receivable account. Trade receivable account, we have to start with the opening balance. That would be no, sorry. The starting was 1st August. No? We started account receivable in August 1st. Okay. And the year is 2021. August 2021. Okay. 2021 August 1st. Now balance BD, that is given how much? 28,500. So here we will write 28,500. Okay. Now, because we are changing the year, so we'll write it 2022 August, sorry, July 31st. Okay. Sales 360,000. 360,000. Okay. We have reported sales over here. So we have credited sales of from 3,60,000. So we are debiting trade receivable account. Reason is sales. Okay. Then 2022 July 31st sales returns. We have debited sales return, so we are going to create sales return over here, 3,300. Okay. Now, how much we have collected on 31st July? See from the bank how much we have collected. We have collected 335,100. Okay, 335,100 we have collected. So we'll write it over here, bank, and here 3,35,100. Getting my point here? Now, on the same date, we have given some discount also. So we'll write over here, discount allowed. And that was 6,500. Okay. Now, next item. Again, we are moving to the question, and it says, this dishonor checks. So again, we have to debit trade receivable because this amount is still uncollectible. Now, just and we have written off trade receivables, $900. So that is going to be reported over here, and 4,000. We'll write bad debts or uncollectible. Uncollectible 900. Okay, and here we will write dishonor checks. Reason is bank. Amount 4,000. Okay. Now get the totals. Okay, so the debit means 28,500 plus 360,000 plus 4,000. Total is 392,500. Okay. 392,500. Okay, so we'll write over here 392,500. Okay. Same. If you minus 13,300, then 335,100, then 6,500 minus 900. So the balance is 36,700 over here. Balance CD 36,700, and definitely the total would be Same 392,500. Okay. So we'll write over here 31st July again, balance CD. Balance CD. Okay. What usually students make mistake, they don't write balance BD after completing one account. Please make a habit whenever you have a balance CD in while doing any making any account in CI. If you have a balance CD, please write balance BD. Okay. So that would be August 1st. Balance BD 36,700. Then okay. Now irrecoverable debts. Oh, 2022 July 31st. We have irrecoverable debts from trade receivables 900, and we have to close because in expense account we have to close it into income statement. Uh, income statement. Fine. Okay, this is done. What next? Provision for doubtful debts. Okay. Now, provision for doubtful debts, we have opening balance 2021 August 1. Balance BD that was given in the question. Let's see the question. 1140. 1,000, 140. That's done. Okay. Now we have to calculate in 2022 at the end of the year, that is July 31st. July 31st, we will calculate, and this amount is going to be reported in income statement. How much we have to calculate? So again, go to the question. They say 4% of trade receivables. Okay. So what is the 4% of trade receivable year-end balance? 36,700 multiplied by 4% is 1,468 minus 1,140. It means 328 we have to increase. Okay. 36,700 multiplied by 4%, that means 1,468. But you have already 1,140 in your provision account, so you have to increase the provision by 328 only. Okay. So that would make 328 plus 1,140, 1,468. This is 1,468. Okay. Now 2022 July 31st balance CD 1,468. 1, 4, 1, 4, 6, 8. 1, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now balance BD, that is on August 1st. Balance BD 1,460. Done? Mashallah. Okay. Now prepare a relevant extract from PG statement of financial position 31st July 2022. So what things we can report from this question into balance sheet? Financial position means balance sheet. So what things we can report? We can only report here because we do not have any balance available for cash or any other asset or liability or capital or revenue. We can only report current assets, and we'll give the heading current assets, and in current assets we will write trade receivables, how much trade receivables, that was 33,000, 36,700. Okay, less provision for doubtful debts is how much? 1,468. 1,468. So net debtors, we have how much here available? 36,700 minus 1,468. 35,232. Done? List 3 possible ways in which PG could reduce the possibility irrecoverable debts. The most important thing is don't give credit facility. Don't give credit facility. The first and the most important thing. And if you are giving credit facility, set a limit, or offering them discounts to pay, or early bird discounts, which will be called. Okay. What are the 2 factors responsible? Okay. The previous, whenever we set up, we are setting provision for document, the most important thing is our previous past experience. How much we have, what we have been experiences from the past few years, the percentage of bad debts, irrecoverable debts. So percentage of irrecoverable from past experience, we can set the rate of provision for doubtful debts. Okay. And sometimes the status of locality, okay, what type of people there are. There are certain people, certain countries where delaying is not a bad thing. Delayed payments. So based on that experience, education, you're inferring so many things you can consider. Okay. Fine. Now, Sign and Tom are in partnership, sharing profit and loss in the proportion of capital invested. The partnership agreement states the following: interest on capital allowed 6% per annum, Sign is allowed a salary of 20,000. Interest on drawing is charged 33% per annum. Charged for each proportion of the year. Acha. The profit for the year before appropriation 59,190. Okay. During the year, drawings were made during the year as follows. Okay. First April 2021, 1st October 2021. And okay, capital account balance 1st April 2021 is 150,000 and 100,000. Okay. करना क्या है? Let's see. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for sign and Tom for the year ended. Acha. When we are making appropriation account, first we have to write it here, profit from operations. So how much was the profit from operations? We all know that that was given profit from operations 59,190. 59,190. Okay. Now what we have to add? The only thing we add here is interest on drawings. Okay. Okay. Now, there was something, interest on drawing is charged at 3% per annum, charged for each proportion for the year of the year. 3% per annum. Okay. So, what we have to do, okay. Now, interest on drawings, first we have to take sign. Okay. His drawings, there were two drawings of him. One is was the amount of one was the amount of 8,000 and then 6,000. So what we have to do, 8,000 multiply by 3%. So that would make his drawings how much? 8,000 multiply by 3%. 240. Now, second, his drawing was 6,000 multiply by 3%. But this drawing is only lasts for 6 months only. Multiply by 6 upon 5. So that would be how much? 6,000 multiplied by 3% multiplied by 6 divided by 12. 6,000 multiplied by 3% multiplied by 6 divided by 12. So that would be 90. Okay. Now, Tom, the fellow must be Jerry. Okay. What about Tom? There are two drawings of Tom. Again, 10,000 and 12,000. So what we do? 10,000 multiplied by 3%. That would be how much? 10,000 multiplied by 3% is 300. And the second one is 12,000 multiplied by 3% multiplied by 6 upon 12. So that would make interest on drawing how much? 12,000 multiplied by 3% multiplied by 6 divided by 12. 180. So total drawings we have to add over here is how much? 240 plus 90. 240 plus 90 plus 300 plus 180. 810. 810. So total here will be 59,180, 59,190 plus 810, that would make it 60,000. The only thing we add in appropriation account of partnership is interest on drawings. Okay. Now it means we have to divide 60,000 profit among the partners or between the partners because there are only two partners. Okay. Now heading interest on capital. Okay. Sign. How much was Sign's capital given? 150,000. 150,000. And 6% interest on capital is allowed. 150,000 multiplied by 6%. Okay. 150,000 multiplied by 6%, that would make 9,000. Yeah. 9,000. Interest on capital. Okay. What about Tom? Okay. Tom capital was 100,000 multiplied by 6%. That means 6,000. Total 15,000. So what we are going to write it over here is 15,000 but in bracket because we have to deduct. Okay. Now we are left with 45,000. Okay. So now then salaries. Salaries partners. So only one partner is getting salary, I think. Yes, right. Okay, 20,000. So we'll write over here salary sign and we'll write directly over here 20,000 because we don't want to add a salary. It should be in bracket. Okay. Now we are left with 25,000. Now residual profits. How we divide residual profit? In the ratio of their capital. 15, 150 and 10. So what would be the ratio? 5 to the 10, 3 is to 2. Sign. Uh, 25,000 multiplied by 3 upon 5. So that is 15,000 and Tom will get 2 upon 5. 25,000 multiplied by 2 upon 5. That means 10,000. 10 and 15, 25,000. Okay, so we'll write over here in the bracket 25,000 and here the remaining is 0 dash 3 dash. This is complete. Okay. Mhm. Prepare the extract of from the statement of financial position of Sign and Tom that shows the capital accounts and the full details of other current accounts at 31st March 2022. Now, extract of balance sheet means we are not going to show assets, liabilities, only the portion of partnership. Okay. So, what we are going to do, first heading, capitals. Sign 150,000 and Tom 100,000. 100,000 total 25,000. Sorry, $250,000. 250,000. ठीक? Done? Okay. Now, current account. Heading current accounts. Okay. Start with sign. Sign current account balance is given 3,000 credit. Okay. Over here 3,000. Okay. Now, what we have to write here? What he got? Uh, he got interest on capital. On capital. How much interest on capital he got? 9,000. Okay. Now he got salary. That is 20,000. Okay. Now he is charged with interest on drawings. Oh, sorry, residual profit. He got 15,000. Okay. Okay. Then he is charged with interest on drawings. Interest on drawings, he has paid how much? Interest on drawings, he has paid how much? Oh, I forgot. No. He has paid how much? Interest on drawings? 40 plus 90. 330. Okay. 330. 330. And drawings. How much was the drawings total? Drawings. Hmm. 14,000. 86. 14. So get the totals over here. Thousand plus 9,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 minus 330 minus 14,000. Total is 32,670. 32,670. Now come to Tom. Tom current account balance is given in debit. So it means we have to take it as negative rate, minus 7,000. Okay, because last year he has taken more money than anticipated profit or expected profit. Getting my point clear? 7,000. Okay. Again, same. Interest on capital. Interest on capital. How much interest on capital we got? 6,000. Okay. Then he didn't get salary. He get residual profit. Residual profit. He got 10,000. Huh? Okay. Residual profit he got 10,000. Okay. Now he's charged with interest on drawings and drawings. Okay. Interest on drawings. How much interest on drawings? Oh, yeah, 300 plus 180, 480. 480 in bracket. 480. Okay. Then the last item, drawings. Drawings, how much? His drawings were, let's see the drawings. Here is the drawings. 22,000. Bracket 22,000. Now get the total of his current account. We start with minus 7,000 plus 6,000 plus 10,000 minus 480 minus 22,000. 30,480 negative figure. 13,480 negative. 13,480. Okay. So if you get the total over here, 250,000 plus 32,670 minus 13,480. 296190. 292698. Check the number. Let me check it again. 250,000 plus 32,670 minus 13,480. 269190. Yes. 26919. Oh, sorry. 190. Okay. This is total partnership. इसके नीचे भी एक लाइन लगा देते ताकि इनको भी तसल्ली हो जाए सही. Okay. Next move. Explain the significance of a debit balance in partner's current account. Debit balance shows the most important thing. The debit balance shows that the partner whose current account is showing a debit balance has taken away more money than he is earned from the business. Okay. So this is a sign that he owes to business. Okay. Achha. Now explain the accounting principle of going concern. Achha. Now, whenever I tell my students about going concern, I always tell them going concern means we have started a business not to close it, but to expand it, nurture it, and we make changes, we adapt different policies, procedures, methods, strategies, but to continue our business. Business is actually established to continue in the future for the indefinite period of time. Okay. Okay, that's it. So that's all for today. Sorry for the delays. Inshallah, tomorrow I'm coming up with I'm coming up with my next yes, paper 12, inshallah. If you want to ask me anything, if you have any queries or you want certain explanation because of the time constraint, my busy schedules, I cannot. Maybe I have not given some. I'm not able to explain things very deeply or in details. So if you want details, you can ask me or leave a comment. I will explain it to you. Or we can also come on a Zoom meeting. You can come for a Zoom meeting with me. No problem. You are most welcome. Okay. If you have any problem, if you want some further explanation of anything. Okay. Because of the time constraint and my personal engagements, I cannot give you a 100% explanation of everything in these videos. Okay. So if you want any special explanation, please do ask me. No problem. I will explain to you. You are most welcome. Take care. Allah Hafiz.